Sika CarboDur is a carbon fibre reinforced polymer used to allow concrete beams and floors to carry much higher loads. To show how much extra strength CarboDur can add, we set up a simple demonstration in the Sika warehouse. We took two concrete beams, identical in size, about 2 metres long, and in thickness, about 5 centimetres by 5 centimetres. The only difference between them was that one had been reinforced with a Sika CarboDur strip. We placed the unreinforced beam on some concrete pavers, and then asked for a volunteer from the Sika warehouse to see how much weight it could support. Up stepped Peter. And that was the end of it. No surprises there. But then we took the beam that had been reinforced with the Sika CarboDur strip and placed that up on the same supports. On went Peter again. And then Tony. And then Dave. And then Steve. And then Pete. And then Duncan. And then Mike. Amazing. That's a combined weight of over 600 kilograms. So a concrete beam, which couldn't even support one person, can now support all these people, no problem, just by adding a single strip of Sika CarboDur. Sika CarboDur makes it easy to strengthen concrete beams and floors to meet new design loadings or take heavier loadings. It's cost-effective, unobtrusive because it's so thin, and because it can be installed so quickly, disruption is minimal. CarboDur, another smart, innovative strengthening solution from Sika.